अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू जेपी डिजिटल पॉडकास्ट। मेरा नाम है हमजा साजिद राना। मुल्क पाकिस्तान में हमने अक्सर देखा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा गैर मुल्की स्टूडेंट पाकिस्तान का रुख करते हैं, या कि यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में आते हैं, या कि यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में अपनी तालीम हासिल करते हैं और वापस चले जाते हैं। एक ऐसे ही तालिब इल्म है, गैर मुल्की है, युगांडा से इनका ताल्लुक़ है। पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी से इन्होंने अपनी PhD कर रखी है, लेकिन इनके साथ एक ऐसा हादसा पेश आया, बल्कि मैं कहूँगा एक ऐसा सानेहा पेश आया जिन्होंने उनकी ज़िंदगी को चंद दिनों में उल्ट पुल का शिकार कर दिया। उनका नाम है डॉक्टर अब्दुल हमीद एम्पूज़ा। ये पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी से ग्रेजुएट है, इन्होंने PhD वहाँ से की है। सिलसिला कुछ यूँ था कि नमाज़ पढ़ने के लिए एक मस्जिद में गए, वहाँ पे उनके डॉक्यूमेंट्स थे, इनके बैग के अंदर कुछ नकदी थी और उसके अलावा इनका पासपोर्ट था, उसके अलावा हज का लगा हुआ वीज़ा था, सब कुछ था। ये रख के अल्लाह के सर पर सुजूद हो गए और जब नमाज़ ख़त्म करते हैं तो देखते हैं कि उनकी जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं वो वहाँ से गायब हैं। और उसके बाद जब उन्होंने इस सारी चीज़ों के लिए इस्तफसार किया इमाम मस्जिद से और लोगों से, तो पता लगा जी एक बंदा जो कि कैमरों में आया लेके निकल गया। इन्होंने पुलिस से बात की तो SSP नवीद जो हैं और उनके साथ इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो ऑफिसर हैं, उन्होंने गालबन 4 दिनों में इनकी काफ़ी हद तक चीज़ें वापस लौटा दी, लेकिन स्टिल कुछ चीज़ें अभी भी रिमेनिंग हैं जो कि इनकी नहीं मिली। पाकिस्तान में एक गैर मुल्की का मौजूद होना ये इस बात की अलामत है कि मुल्क सेफ़ है, लेकिन जब उसकी चीज़ें ना सेफ़ हो तो वो क्या हमारे मुल्क का नक्शा लेके वापस जाता है। इसमें पुलिस के किरदार, अच्छे किरदार के ऊपर भी एक रोशनी डालेंगे। सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
हाउ आर यू सर? ऑल गुड?
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We thank Allah for all the favors that we have from Him, and we are still alive. We are breathing in and out, and we are still, in a peaceful environment, while other people outside or in other countries could actually be suffering, running, especially in the areas where we have wars and other things. If we are coming up in our houses and feeling okay in the morning and we can eat and drink, then we can say Alhamdulillah.
Dr. Sahab, let me tell one thing.
Yes.
That you get your belongings, most of the things, but some things are still remaining.
Actually, what is not yet got is more in terms of quantity.
Okay.
Yes. What we got yesterday were actually mainly issues to do with electronic gadgets. But there are a number of things that are still missing. And maybe if you allow me, I can actually explain.
Yes. Tell me the role of police and how do you find the role of police in Pakistan, primarily when they are investigating your case?
Yes, I need to first of all maybe say briefly how this incident happened.
Yes.
And it was Thursday, which was April 2nd, and I had gone to University of Punjab for attestation of my degree, and I went there in the morning. So I was told to come back in the afternoon, actually around 3 o'clock. Before closure of offices. So I went back and I actually found the office had been closed. So I went for namaz al-asr, which was around 5 o'clock. And I had 2 bags. A laptop bag which had a laptop. I had a file folder which I had got from the Vice Chancellor on Monday, because he awarded me, or he actually presented to me my PhD degree from that file folder. It had a degree certificate, transcript, and also verification later. So that folder is having a very good logo of the University of Punjab. Then it also had my personal departmental file, which had some documents that were related to what I'm doing. And then it also had a file which had in it there was some money around 50,000 PK rupees, and then laptop charger and its mouse. So those were the items in the big bag. Now in the second bag, there was a file containing all my academic documents from metric up to PhD, because I was hoping that maybe I would be asked to present something to a registrar that what about this, can you show us this? So I carried the original documents. They were in that file. There was a passport, there was my ID, there was hard drive of 1 terabyte, there was also 3 diaries where I keep most of my important information.
Important notes.
Yes, it had 2 mobiles, Samsung A24 and a Nokia small phone which I was using for transaction of communications to Uganda. It had a file folder for my family matters, also passport photos, and the ATM card plus checkbook. Now, so far, what police has done...
yes.
The police has...
Tell me the details, what police has recovered right now.
Yes, the police, first of all, from the security operatives from the University of Punjab, that's where the search started, from the Imam of the Masjid where I was, and then the security of the University of Punjab, and the guys who are manning the cameras there. And then from there, we have also to appreciate the work of the Muslim town police. There was actually, most especially Sab Amir Raza and also Saifullah. They were in charge of this case. And they
investigation
officers. They did a very good job. We also went with them to Punjab Safe City to see the video footages.
Okay.
And they were also comforting me because I was in a very sorry state.
Obviously.
Have missed all these documents at once.
Everything is stolen.
Yes, and at that moment, of course, I was not so sure of what is going to happen, but the police officers, they were actually encouraging me to stay calm, and they were going to do the best to see that.
You mean to say they are rest assuring you that everything will be fine, and
yes,
you
and
don't
they were actually
need to worry
taking
about
it as a priority case, as a high-profile case that they were supposed to take it up. I was, of course, appearing as somebody who has lost hope, and they were strengthening me and encouraging me to be calm. Also acknowledge the work done by the authorities within the University of Punjab. The Institute of Communication Studies, the director, Dr. Abida Ashraf, was also contacting the Dean of Students and other people who were there. And then we had very good contribution from the Ugandan consulate in Pakistan.
Yes.
Of course, it is headed by Sir Awais Rauf, the chairman of the University of Lahore. But with coordination and full support of Mr. Abu Zar Al-Ghifari, he was with the police officers, and he was also trying to make follow-ups on what is happening. What is this? What is this? What is that? So the police did its work, because it happened on 2nd of April, and they were telling me that please give us 5 to 4 days.
Okay.
We shall have actually done something that is substantial.
Obviously, they want to conduct an investigation and search out the belongings.
Yes. So it was yesterday, which was April 9th, when I was told that some items have been recovered. And the items which are recovered are, number one, a laptop Dell.
Okay.
This laptop was recovered, but of course somebody who had already taken it up had already erased everything.
Is the data is also recovered, or data is erased?
It's erased. Of course somebody had already removed everything and was beginning maybe to initiate his own data.
Do you have any doubt on any person which is very close to you?
No, any kind of doubt, because I was in masjid.
Yes.
And I found the masjid had first line was complete. So
Yes.
I was praying from the second line. So towards the end of the second line is where my bags were. Because I could not put them in front, because there were some people who were praying.
Yes.
I could not
Definitely.
pass maybe and put them in front of me. So they were besides me, but not behind me. So, but somebody took one advantage. He actually realized that we were in sujood, and no one would actually see him, and he sneaked out. So after namaz, I just looked on my right-hand side, and the bags were not there. So the recovered items, the laptop is recovered.
One thing, okay.
And number two, we have also recovered its charger. We have recovered the passport. We have also recovered ATM plus checkbook. These are 5 items.
ATM is you blocked your ATM, or it is?
It is
right
actually
now operational.
I went to the bank on Tuesday this week, and I was told that nothing dubious had happened on my account, so it was still safe. Now, in the bag of laptop, I'm still missing a very important folder which had my degree certificates.
Okay.
It is also
your degrees are still missing.
Of course, there were photocopies which were there, and there was original verification later. in that bag of the laptop, I'm also still missing a file which had my official professional documents, and also that bag had 50,000 Pakistan rupees. So that is the laptop bag.
And the amount is also still not recovered, right?
Yes.
No.
So in the second bag, which had the passport, in that bag, I'm missing the file which was containing all the original documents, academic documents from O level, A level, my bachelor's degree, my
Your
master's
whole
degree.
academic record is stolen and didn't recovered right now.
Yes. So these documents and every letter or receipt that I got from the University of Punjab in my period of PhD, these documents are still missing. I'm still missing, of course, my ID, the university ID. I'm also missing the hard drive of 1 terabyte.
It is also missing?
Yes, it's still not recovered yet. It had a lot of data that I had compiled for almost 8 years. And of course, there were 3 diaries where I was recording a number of my professional important points, and also family items or family transactions.
Notes, okay.
Yes, family notes, you can
Your
call
private
that.
notes.
Yes, and a small mobile which had a Ugandan number, and then a file folder of family matters. These items are still missing.
Tell me one thing.
Yes.
When you are going for the namaz,
Yes.
before the namaz, which person you met last?
When I entered, of course, I last met the person who was, I think there were security guards who were at the office of registrar, who told me that the office was closed at around 4 o'clock.
Okay.
So then I moved towards the masjid.
Okay.
I did not talk to anyone. I just entered the masjid. It was time before namaz, and around 5 minutes.
Do you find any sort of suspicious person around you when you are going for namaz, and you felt that sort of strange feeling?
No, I didn't, because that masjid, which is actually in the admin block next to where the Office of Registrar and Control of Examinations are, it's a masjid which I was using whenever I could go to that admin block. I used to pray my namaz from that masjid.
So now, what is the narrative of police regarding the remaining belongings? Are they capable enough to recover them, or they are just saying that we are trying our best and all that stuff?
The promise was actually yesterday when I was receiving the recovered items, I categorically put it that, I'm still missing very important documents and also my data.
Obviously,
yes, and,
that your whole economic record is on stake.
Naveed Saab gave the promise.
SSP Naveed.
Yes, and also Raza, who is actually the
investigation
officer from the Muslim town, and Saifullah, they were giving assurance that they were working around the clock to see that these remaining items are recovered as well. So this is the promise that I got from the police, that these other items, they are still searching so that we can be able to get them. And that's the assurance that I got from them. And I'm also hopeful that they can be recovered, because the passport, or the bag where the passport was, the checkbook, is where the academic documents were. So I really hope that possibly these items can be recovered.
Yeah.
That's the hope and the kind of belief that I do have,
yes,
that if the laptop was able to be recovered, these are the items, because no one would be inheriting my document, because it's my document.
No,
it bears my name.
I am well aware of you from many years.
Yes.
And also, when you are talking about belief, when you are in sujood, your belief is on Almighty.
Yes.
And the things will, inshallah, and we give you a very best of luck.
Yes.
In the last, tell me one thing, that police, in the security cameras, that police identify the culprit or not?
It was not easy, because we were looking at a video footage, which was actually, if somebody knows Punjab University, there is a camera which was fixed on the Faisal Auditorium.
Yes.
Which is facing the gate number 2. So there was a video footage that was showing somebody who might have carried 2 bags and was moving very fast, taking a pedestrian route towards that gate. But the camera was picking that person from far. You could not be able to detect the kind of person who had kind of clothing.
And in the safe city cameras, the face is also hidden?
They were not very actually clear to be seen or to identify a person, that this person is like this. But I do trust that the police,
Obviously, police is doing its job.
based on what they have recovered so far. They are capable of identifying the missing items, and they
Yes.
have all the capabilities, of course, to discover this. I know that's a very kind of tedious work.
Yes.
I do really sincerely appreciate their efforts, and I hope that bi'iznillahi ta'ala
Inshallah,
these
inshallah,
items will be
inshallah.
able to be recovered.
Ilahi Amin. We are saying that a very good luck regarding the case, and inshallah, by the grace of Almighty, you will very soon get your all belongings, and please trust on our law enforcement agencies. They are doing their job very gracefully. Viewers, ہمارے ساتھ موجود تھے ڈاکٹر عبدالحمید امپوزا. آپ نے ان کی ساری رودار سنی. اس ساری چیز میں ہمیں ایک چیز سمجھ میں آئی ہے کہ ایک انسان جب سربا سجود ہو, ان کا بڑا بلیو ہے اور سب مسلمانوں کا بلیو ہے کہ خدا تعالیٰ کی ذات کبھی بھی آپ کو آپ کی سخت سے زیادہ آزمائش نہیں دیتی. لیکن جس آزمائش سے یہ گزر رہے ہیں, جس بھی انسان نے یہ کیا, میں اس کیمرے کے توسط سے, اس میڈیا کے توسط سے ایک لفظ کہوں گا, آپ ایک انسان کو جو کہ خدا سے تعلق جوڑے بیٹھا تھا, اس کی چیزیں اٹھا کے بھاگے ہیں. آپ کو اپنی ذات پہ, اپنے ضمیر پہ شرم آنی چاہیے. لیکن ساتھ ساتھ میں پولیس کو, اسپیشلی ایس ایس پی نوید کو, انویسٹیگیشن آفیسر علی رضا
Yes,
Ali Raza.
from Muslim Town.
علی رضا جو مسلم ٹاؤن تھانے میں ہوتے ہیں, ان کو بہت زیادہ
And
خراج تحسین پیش کروں گا کہ انہوں نے بہت حد تک مدد. سیف اللہ.
Yes.
خراج تحسین پیش کروں گا. لیکن ساتھ ساتھ ایک بات بھی کہتا چلوں گا کہ جو ان کی بقایا چیزیں ہیں وہ ملنی چاہیے, کیونکہ اس میں جو ان کی ہارڈ ڈسک,
Yes, hard drive.
ہارڈ ڈرائیو 1 ٹیرابائٹ,
Yes, yes.
1 ٹیرابائٹ, اور ان کا لیپ ٹاپ کا سارا ڈیٹا اریز کر دیا اس بندے نے. اب مجھے نہیں پتا یہ کون سی خار بازی ہے یا یہ کون سی جیلسی ہے, لیکن بھائی آپ جو بھی ہیں, آپ نے ملک پاکستان کا نام بدنام کرنے میں کوئی کسر نہیں چھوڑی. ایک انسان جو یوگینڈا, جو کہ افریقہ کا ایک ملک ہے, ادھر سے اٹھ کے آتا ہے, ہمارے ملک پہ ٹرسٹ کر کے آتا ہے کہ میں یہاں پہ آ کے پڑھوں گا, اپنا مستقبل سنواروں گا, ایک نئے خواب کو سجاتا ہے. اس خواب کو سجا کے جب وہ مستقبل کی حسین یاد بنانے کے لیے نکلنے لگتا ہے رخت سفر پر, تو آپ جیسا گھٹیا کردار کا انسان آ کے اس انسان کی چیزیں لے کے دوڑ جاتا ہے. واٹ ربش از دیٹ. پلیز, میں آپ کو صرف یہاں پہ بیٹھ کے متون نہیں کر رہا, ساتھ ساتھ یہ بھی گزارش کر رہا ہوں کہ ان کا سامان واپس کر دیں. اور پولیس کے کردار کو ہم لائق تحسین سمجھتے ہیں. ایس ایس پی نوید صاحب, یو آر ڈوئنگ اے گریٹ جاب, اینڈ یور ہول ٹیم از ڈوئنگ اے ٹریمینڈس ورک. کیپ ڈوئنگ اٹ. اور ان کی جو پرسنل بلانگنگ ہے انہیں واپس دلوائیں تاکہ یہ اپنے گھر بخیر آفت جائیں. اپنے ہوسٹ حمزہ ساجد رانا کو اس اپنے پن کے ساتھ اجازت دیجیے کہ زندگی میں کبھی بھی کوئی سہو, کوئی بھی غلطی, کوئی بھی گستاخی ہو جائے تو ایک دوسرے کو معاف کرنا سیکھیں, کیونکہ جو معافی ہے نا وہ رب تعالیٰ کی صفت ہے, اور جو رحمان کی صفت ہے اس کو جو بھی اڈاپٹ کرتا ہے, سیکھتا ہے, وہ کبھی بھی زندگی میں خطا نہیں کھاتا. والسلام.